Total time, 600 seconds, 10 minutes. Chorus, we're shapes of different kinds, but we work together, that's how it finds. Join hands and be kind, in this colorful, shape-filled land. The script for Colorful Shape Quest aims to educate young children about various shapes while fostering their imagination and creativity. Through interactive storytelling and engaging visuals, the video encourages teamwork, problem-solving skills, and emotional intelligence, making learning a joyful experience.